Quince Jam Recipe. Only 2 ingredients, quince and sugar. You don't need pectin because quinces are full of pectin, and you don't need lemon juice. After cleaning the fruit, place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. This will soften the quince so that it is easier to chop and peel. And then take the chopped and peeled quince and add it to a pot. Most recipes call for half as much sugar as quince, but I like to use a little less sugar. So if I have 8 cups of quince, then I use 3 cups of sugar. You don't need to add any water. There's enough water in the quince. Now stir over medium-high heat for 30 to 45 minutes or until it is somewhat mushy. If you're going to preserve the jam, then make sure that you sterilize your jars and jarring equipment in your canning pot with a wire rack at the bottom, submerged in water and boiling for 10 minutes. And then ladle the quince jam into the jars, and then use a damp towel to wipe the rim of the jars and place new lids on the jars. Put the rings on just finger tight, not too tight. Place the filled jars back into the water bath. Make sure the jars are submerged and bring to a boil again for 10 minutes. Remove the jars and let them cool. You may hear a little suction pop when the jars are sealing as they cool. Date and label the jars. Enjoy.